Hi and welcome to a new video. Did you receive a RAR file but you can't view it because the Files app does not support it? In this video, I will show you 2 easy ways to view the content of a RAR file on your iPhone. Let's go. The first method is by using the Shortcuts app from Apple, which you can download for free in the App Store. Then open the app, tap on the plus icon and search for File. Tap on the File button and choose the RAR file you want to extract. Next, look for Extract Archive using the search bar to create additional action. Under Next Action Suggestions, choose Save File. Then tap on Done to save the shortcut. After saving, tap the shortcut you've created to extract the files and save them to a location of your choice. To confirm if it works, open the Files app and navigate to the folder where you save the file. Here, you can see that these are the newly extracted files. If the Shortcuts app is not available for you, there are other third-party applications available that you can use for free. The app I recommend is called Documents. You can download this one on the App Store. Documents works like the Files app but has way more features. You can watch videos, share files to Windows PCs, listen to music, or extract RAR files. So open the Documents app, tap on Files and click on the RAR file you want to extract. Choose your destination folder and tap on Extract. Note that your folder will have the same name as the RAR file. After that, your file should be extracted and saved to the folder you specified. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.